Good morning, guys. Grade 12 seniors. Happy new academic year for EMSAT registration, EMSAT knowledge, EMSAT exams, EMSAT test dates, EMSAT procedures, policies, and everything related to EMSAT is what is gonna be here. So I want you to be awakened about what is EMSAT and everything. I'm Midu, and I will be with you through this year for EMSAT. How about EMSAT? How can you study EMSAT? What is EMSAT? Registration for EMSAT. I will give you all details on the YouTube channel, Z English 1001. Also, I will give you expected exams and questions and EMSAT. Like last year and previous years, I did with senior students like you, and they did very well, very great job they did about EMSAT exams. So I will be with you, and again, I'm Midu. So let's go through one EMSAT. What is EMSAT? Let's share with you. Yes. So what is EMSAT? I have here, first point is about the dates of EMSATs. EMSAT exams of this year from the Minister of Education, a website. So you will see that in front of you now, agenda for EMSAT dates, because EMSAT will not be every day in the week. No, it will be about 2 days a week. Sunday and Tuesday, always Sunday and Tuesday. For this now, we have to start from 12th of September. So the first of you is September 12th. So how can I register? I will give you the details of how to register, but you have to listen first to the dates. So you have to see the dates here, starting from 12th of September. On Tuesday, we have another one, 24th. We have 15th of October, 24th of October, 29th of October. So this is just a list of all agenda for EMSAT of 2023 until the end of this year, semester 1. The last one is 19th of December. It will be on Tuesday. What about the EMSAT day? So if I have registered on EMSAT date, 19th of December, 17th of December, whatever the date, so how many shifts of time for EMSAT? I have here 4. First one, first session, if you book, you can book at exam starting at 8 a.m. till 10:30 a.m. If you have booked on 11 a.m. till 1:30 p.m., then we have another shift from 2 p.m. until 4 p.m. 4:30. Then we have from 5 to 7:30 p.m. So 4 shifts, 4 sections, 4 times in a day of exam. When you book for the exam on the web page, you will see these, and they will ask you which option you need, which shift you want. I prefer you here in UAE, guys, of grade 12 students and university students, I prefer you to book from 2 p.m., starting 2 p.m. to 4:30 or 5 till 7:30. The last 2 shifts, not the first 2 shifts. Maybe you study up late yesterday, so you stay up late. So you wake up late, you cannot attend the first session. Some students talk to me, Mr., we missed the classes or the first session. I was sleeping, so don't do that. My advice is just book your last 2. I mean, from 2 p.m. till 4:30 or from 5 till 7:30. Also, we have another point here. I want you to see it. It's about what is امسات. What is امسات? What is امسات? Here, to understand everything about especially امسات Achieve English. So what is امسات Achieve? Your exam is called grade 12 امسات Achieve. امسات Achieve. For university students is called امسات. But for students of grade 12, it is امسات Achieve. What is امسات Achieve? You will see that now. It is a national system of tests on computer. It will not be by handwriting. So it is not a paper paste. It is a computer test. Also, what you have to know about the test, it has you must do 4 subjects. امسات English, امسات Arabic, امسات Science. Science, I mean for science, chemistry, biophysics. But you have to do physics. Again, it's امسات in Arabic, in English, in physics, and also امسات for math or mathematics. So 4 subjects you must do to qualify your certificate at the end, to attest your certificate from the Ministry of Education, to be accepted in universities. You have to take 4 subjects: امسات Arabic test, امسات English test, امسات physics, and امسات math. What else? Public schools, they have to do امسات. Private schools, they have to do امسات. Also, you have to know that the place and dates will be mentioned on the website. So you will know the place, you will know the dates. As I told you, as I mentioned, just I gave you agenda for until the end of 2023 of this year. So you will see that on the page, website, امسات site. No fees at the first exam, but if you failed in the first test and you want to repeat the test, you have to pay fees. It will be mentioned on the website too. امسات Achieve, in English, there are 5 sections in English: section for grammar, section for vocab, section for close reading, section for extended reading, and the last section is about writing. You have to write 1 task. What is it? We'll see that one by one. For example, about the section of grammar, you will have multiple choices questions like in front of you now. Multiple choices questions. Let me show you. So for example, here, one of the sentence, I can start early or work late. My hours are flexibility or flexibly or flexible or flex. Sure, after verb to be, we need to have adjectives. So the answer is flexible. Flexible is adjective. Are tall, are short, are good, and so on. So after are, verb to be, you have to put adjective. So the adjective is only flexible. So this is grammar. Next is, for example, another type of question in grammar is about what are the contents in grammar. So what I study in grammar, Mr. I study everything in grammar, or what? In front of you, 6 parts of grammar topics you have to follow and study. And on this YouTube channel, I will give you the details, expected question in grammar, and I will give you short explanation about that. Don't worry. So you have to study agreement using articles and determiners, quantifiers. You have to study pronouns and idioms. You have to study prepositions, verb forms, verb plus preposition, verb like go to, or set up, or look for, look at, look forward to, plus questions, what, why, where, how to do, even models, conditionals, if first state, second state, third state, or 0 state. Also gerunds, you have to study conjunctions too, and but, so, or, while, when, and so on. Phrasal verbs, as I told you before, is a verb plus preposition, even also comparative and superlative. Word order, which one is here, which one is next, and so on, even parts of speech and discourse markers. You have to study all of these topics, revise all of these topics as grade 12 students to be very good in grammar. All the questions will be multiple choices. Okay. Section 2 is vocabulary in English Amsat Achieve. So what are the questions of vocabulary types? It will be multiple choices. One of them is here. High frequency words, English medium environment, also English vocabs, academic, especially academic English. I will give you the list of English vocabs because it's always updated. It's not always fixed. Don't worry. Don't believe some teachers telling you this is the list of last year's. Wrong. Every year we have updated list of vocabs. So I will give you that on the channel. Don't worry. Next of vocabs section is another section. Another section is close reading. Close reading is a very hard part in Amsat. Means there are two reading texts. We have two reading texts. Level 1 is easy level, second is a hard level. So don't worry, but I will give you how to answer close reading on the YouTube channel. I will be with you through the whole year. Before each test day, don't worry, I will give you the best questions, expected questions, and also tests. Questions like that in close reading, a box with vocabs. You have to take from the box some vocabs related to the missing space, then and it should be correct. Example in front of you now. So the answer for first one is location, a better location. So here is location. You put it, drag it on the computer to be here. So this is close reading type. We have another type, section 4 of reading, called extended reading. It's very easy. It's just the same as your exams in the schools. You have a passage of 4 paragraphs, 5 paragraphs, 6 paragraphs. You have to read and match the question with multiple choices question. Okay. Also, last one is this is example in front of you about reading and the questions on the top right of the screen. Now last one, and you have to focus on last one. Last one is very important about writing. You have to write your opinion about a topic. You have to write from 200 to 250 words. You have to do that. It's like IELTS task 2, the same. It will be argumentative text. It will be opinion text. They will give you a question and ask you about what is your opinion, or do you agree or not. So please focus on that in MSAT. Okay. Till now, we finished. For example, here in front of you, an example, write 200 to 250 words on the following topic. The topic is, in most developed countries, people are living longer lives. Discuss the positive and negative effects. So we need your opinion by using positive and negative effects on that, on a society of people living longer. So you will mention that. You will find here at the end a counter. So 0 words because you didn't write. If you write 1 word, it will be 1. 2 words, 2, 3, and so on. So you can now watch yourself the number of words according to what you type. So one of the most important points you have to practice from now is typing. Practice your typing on the screen. Can you type fast or not? About the spelling words, practice more and more. It's not a handwriting. So this is one of the difficulties that faced most ex-graduate students from seniors or from high schools. Now I have done with you, but the last point is about the rubric. How can I know that I wrote very well? You have to read the rubrics. If you are in C2 level, means you are in the best level, means you wrote in general, your vocabs, mashallah, is academic vocabs, not just traditional vocabs. You used your grammar, correct grammar, no grammatical mistakes, means correct organization of the test, of the writing, sorry, even also about using examples, evidences, and so on. So in C2 level, you are in the best level of writing. It means you are very well, you will be in a very good skill. You have to know that writing is 800 marks, 800 points only just for one question about writing. Focus on writing, and I will give you videos to help you that through the years, this year, before each test date. Okay, now I've done with you about that, and I want you now to listen to this video, watch this video again and again. But the last question is how I can focus on, how can I register on MSAT? You have to use your UAE pass. If you don't have it, upload it and activate it, UAE pass. You will go to Google. Step one is Google. Write on Google, write MSAT registration, MSAT registration. You will be directed to Minister of Education, mo.gov.ae, MSAT.moe.gov.ae. You will be on this page. Click the first one. You will be on the page of MSAT registration. Go down, you will find register here or سجل هنا in Arabic. So register here, click it. You will find using UAE pass. Click UAE pass, activate on the phone, on your cell phone. When you activate it, your information will be clear in front of you, your name, your photo, your birth date, your place of living, whatever you have information, it will be clear for you. You will be just write the school name, like our school, for example, is Abu Dhabi Island International Private School. You will choose it. And they will ask you advanced or general. The track is advanced or general. For our school, for example, Abu Dhabi Island, we are advanced. You choose advanced to get any college, any university you want. So advanced. They will ask you which date you want. You will see the date. First, you will register before dates, I'm sorry. Then you will don't use any other options. Just submit. Submit means you are registered. You have now the page. So it will be open for you a new page with the subjects. Subjects, you will see hi, Haza, hi, Mahra, for example. So then you will find subjects, English, register, math, register, physics, register, Arabic, register. So try to register earlier. Register for English first. So register, choose the date. Don't choose last dates, no. Or choose or late dates, no. Choose in the first semester. Choose in October is better for you, because if you failed, you can have another trial earlier. You have at least 2 trials on the whole year. Take care of this point. This is how to register. I hope you understand everything about MSAT. Was with you now, me too. And thank you for listening with me now. Thank you for everything. I hope you understand, and I hope you to subscribe to the channel, the English 1001, and I will give you all details, even exams, practice, explanation, lessons of MSAT through the academic year 2023 and 2024. Bye. See you this time.